All right, so today is the aftermarket of today's price action. I took a buttload of trades just to get the idea of how price reacts around my levels I was looking at. At during the pre-market, while I was going over my video, I saw this a little bit later. It was a nice sell-off at this level that I had here. We had a nice channel. I want to see what it looks like on the 1 minute one more time to see if what I'm seeing here looks good with um, what price did. So right here, all right, so it doesn't look too bad. All right, just the most thing that I've noticed today was that trying to get a clear channel. I've been dealing with, I guess, wonky channels. Like the channels are not as good as they can be. So this would be a nice price action here. This is about what, 7 minutes, and this one is about 30 minutes. All right. So if we go to the 1 hour, the 1 minute, we kind of get this right here. All right, we got this nice channel, but the nice break didn't come until here, where we broke and then we retested. So probably could have entered around here. About 4 points. So we enter here, that, and that would have been, oh my, a nice move all the way straight down to the level, to the open. So about a 19-point run, where price just took off. Right, this would be more of an aggressive entry, more conservative, stop loss over here. All right, so that was the first trade that I saw but didn't take, and it coincides with, I'm gonna do some house cleaning real quickly. Actually, I'm just gonna move this. All right, it coincides with 15-minute rejecting with a wick, kind of what I needed. 15-minute rejecting, 30-minute even rejecting with a sell wick, causing the true sell-off with that wick rejection, and then we look for an entry. So this would have been premature. All right, so let's see. Trying to get my voice in order. So 8:30, so 8:45. So yeah, so 8:45. So boom, that closing up here. We do have this channel from here to here. Price closed there, so probably could have entered right here. All right, close of this channel here, and then just take it down. So I'm going to save that one eventually. Okay, actually let me save that now for my sake. It's got a view. Actually, I can just copy it and paste it on my Discord review. That's gonna actually take a little longer, so I'll save this one. Hopefully be able to copy it later. Oh boy. Okay. Oh, looks like it's loading up. Give me a minute. price is coming down to my next level of interest. This one. Then let me save this. I should probably just open up the chart that I had from yesterday. Did I save that chart? I don't think I did. Let me see. Just have everything on one screen. So much easier. Yeah, okay, everything's there on one screen. Okay. Alright, just getting rid of all the indicators that just don't need them right now. Okay, so so had a nice sell off here pre-market, and then came to my level right here. Right, I was tracking this down. I was waiting for price to bounce, and then I did buy down here. I felt like I rushed it, right? Because this closed below, and it felt rushed. But I didn't want to get left behind. That's really why I entered. I didn't want to get left behind, so I entered this trade. Probably, I did take a screenshot. Let's see if I have the screenshot up. Entry. Alright, so I took this trade kind of wide all the way back up, right? And I kind of like said, well, we kind of have a channel here. We broke below it, came back above it. Should have not been using this channel at all, right? So that's kind of what I did. So I created a channel for this price action. I don't even think I can even recreate it now if I wanted to. That's how much I forced that channel to be a channel. Where I said, oh, let me do something like this, right? I guess I can't recreate it in a sense, right? And it's like it's not a channel, right? So I kind of forced that to be a channel, and I ended up paying a cost for it on my practice account, and that was a $1,000 loss. It was 3 contracts, and then I did take the better trade. So I did take the better trade. Right. It says, yeah, this one stopped out. Right. It's on rejection. And I did take a better trade down here when we had an actual channel break. I waited for the 5 minutes to close. I waited for everything to make sense. So boom. Right. So we had something like, and we need to do that, just go here, right? Nice channel. So like this, boom, close outside. So I entered before, then I entered, yeah. So I can withdraw this as a boom, like that, right? So I entered on this candle here. Stop loss was down here, so we came up to my 2-to-1. This is, so I had 3 ES contracts. This right here was 1,500, making up that loss, up 500. I didn't take profit because I was trying to get to this right here, right? I was, oh, you freaking kidding me. No, I was trying to get to 30. I was 5 points away from 30. Um, but I should have been looking at 26, right? This should have been the exit. I was 1 point away from 26. I should have just taken the exit right up here. Said screw it, you know. But I said, you know, let's see how far I can go. And then I let price reverse all the way down, and really eating that. So that wrong reversal was good, and all eating that got broken out at break even for that trade because I moved my stop loss up. So note to self: don't force channels. Don't force channels, and don't be too greedy. I could have taken 2 contracts off here, bringing me to break even on that last trade, and then just leaving another one up here, making this one. This one I would have gave me whatever 7 times 50 is, 350 points. I'm guessing. I could be wrong. It could be 6, 1, 3. Yeah, about 350 points. Right, so it would have been up 350 for the day on a practice account. And then that would have been the last trade I should have taken at that level. I think I did try a third attempt at that level again just to see what price would do. I saw that we had a wick. I said, okay, well, look like there's buying. You know, it was valid. Everything made sense. So I took the entry, right? And I got snubbed out immediately. Price couldn't hold, pushed up, and got price dumped. Right, I should have entered right over here at 508. Right, so if I go to that trade, if I entered at 508 around here, would have been at 2 to 1. Nope, wouldn't have been at 2 to 1. Would have been like this, right there. Right, would have had this price move up, would have moved my stop loss a little closer, and if price decided to reverse, which it did. All right, so that one was a complete loss. I took a 4th trade somewhere. What was that? My 4th trade. 2nd trade. 3rd trade. Okay, so now it's 3rd trade. I must have put in 4th trade. Must have been tired. Alright, so that one took me out. And then I took a 4th trade for the straight reversal of that. I said, where am I putting my stop loss? I said, I don't know. Let's put it up over here, right? Above this thing here. So I put the stop loss. Didn't make sense. Wasn't clear. NQ was holding its levels at the highs here. So I did a low, still holding that level, didn't break below it. I knew I shouldn't have been in that trade. Should have been forcing the sell off. Got into it anyways, got burnt. And then eventually NQ fell, and that idea did work, but this was the main idea that worked out. Right, I saw this nice channel, we broke out. I said, oh, what if I had a stop entry here at 4.5? Now one stop loss at 5487. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, about 4.5 points, I think, or 3.5 points, one of the two. And what did price do? Stop me out. Right, so stop me out. Ouch. I said, okay, this can't be it. And then but that didn't stop the idea from actually working. Then we had a nice drop. That didn't stop the idea from working, because we had the wick. Yeah, we had the wick, right? When I entered. Yeah, we had the wicks, right? Boom. Yeah, no, it's near 15. Yeah, we had the wick, and then here was the entry. So I did was this one. 11 going to 15. Yeah, we had the wick because I think I entered around here somewhere, right? So price dump took me out and then reversed, and I said, oh, looks like we're actually going to go now, right? This channel still valid. This is a nice clear channel still, not the best, but it's still a channel. And then price broke up here, and I said, oh, should put an entry here now with a stop loss here, right? 35, boom, right? And then from there, price took off like crazy, all the way back up to that level up here, right? And then price went 35 points. So here it went to 15, and then it just kept going up without anything stopping it, and then it hit that next level, right? Because we're done with this one. So my thing is that waiting for these Heikin Ashi levels to hit gives a better point of view for my entries. I can try once or twice at these levels to get a bigger move, more than this 2-1, or not exactly 2-1 level like I did here. This one was a more than 2-1 level. Waiting for a channel that makes sense. Waiting for the wick on a 15-minute. So 30-minute level, 15-minute wick, 5-minute channel, 5 or 1-minute channel. So basically it. So simple is 30-minute level, 15-minute wick, 5 or 1-minute channel, and break for entry, right? And 2 attempts at that level. So here this attempt worked out fine, sell off. Here bad attempt, here good attempt, right? Here would have been stopped out, then would have been done with that one. So this would have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 trades, big monster move, move, big monster move, stop, and stopped, right? So these monster moves would have definitely made it up for it. I wanted a monster move, should have respected the fact that price stalled up here. So we have the top and then another top. Should have put my stop loss. We had a top, push down, another top, and then price push down. And then this line comes from this selling that was here prior to the 8:30 knockoff. So that's it for me for today. And I will try to set up for tomorrow. I'm gonna clear up my charts and then go from there.